Look who I came across. I'll try to zoom in. But these are the very elusive wild mallard ducks. They are not too used to people, so as soon as you get close to them, they usually take off. So let's see how long this is gonna last, because they've already spotted me. Oh, and that's it. Okay, you could see there were two pairs and they flew further up the river. They always do this. Oh, are you coming back? Okay, there we go, we can see you in flight. Thank you. Okay, a pair came and as you can see it's gonna land down just close to the bridge. Yeah, they're not friendly and I'm sure they have a good reason for it. Now there was another little bird there. There we go. I actually don't know what that one is. I know it's too far. I'm gonna try and zoom in. It's very beautiful, but I genuinely don't know what that is. I don't think I've seen it here before. It's about three times the size of a sparrow, maybe even 4. And from here I can see it's black and white, like with a white breast. As you can see, it's doing a funny little dance. Okay. It has an interesting chirp. Oh, look! It swam! And I'm sure it caught something, or it's trying to. There's plenty of fish in this river. So, wow! I did not expect to see this today, any of these birds. No, she is very far away from me. Oopsie. Sorry. Completely lost where I am. Oh, she's dunking in again. This is interesting. Very, very interesting. And it's going down on the river. What's she doing? Okay. I will try to look up what bird it is. Oh, sorry. It's a bit tricky because I'm trying to hold my phone and at the same time try to keep an eye on it, because through the phone I can't really see it. Oh, okay. It's gone too far for me to follow it with the camera, but it's swimming, it's flying. You're a very clever bird, aren't you? Cool. Well, I'm glad I got to show you again something different from the river in winter time. Now I can hear the other pair quacking or quaking or whatever you call the ducks are doing up there, and I can see them, but they're quite far. I'm gonna try and walk up there a bit, but okay, if I zoom out you can see. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the snowy landscape. If I get closer to the other ducks, I'll continue filming. If not, then that's it. Okay. I hope you can hear her. I can only see the female now. I'm not sure where the male has taken off. There. I hope she's visible. Where are you? I don't know. Can't spot it. And unless he's up further in the water someplace where I can't see him, I should be able to see him in the snow. Okay. Well, I'm sure he's gonna come back because I always see them together. Either this pair or the other pair or all of them together. Bye, ducky. Good to see you, and I'm glad that I got to film you today. Because I tried other times and I mentioned them and then you don't see them on my videos and some of you might think that I'm making it all up. But no. Okay, let me just show you some more of this beautiful scenery. The river is partially frozen. I have filmed a really cool video when there wasn't so much snow but there was ice, and I managed to walk on the side of it, crackling some of the ice. It was awesome. So go check that out. I'm gonna put it in the, what is it, top right corner. You can just click on the eye and you should see that video too. Alright, well, goodbye from the beautiful, snowy, cold riverside, and from the ducks and that strange little bird I want to identify. Okay, I'm adding this in. This is a few days later than I last filmed the ducks, and today there's more. I can see 8 mallard ducks and a mandarin duck. Now, as they are very far from me, again, I'm not quite sure what will show, but my eyes are not deceiving me. It's definitely a mandarin there. At the moment, I think it's the third one from the left. I'm curious how it will show when I look back on the video on the laptop screen. They are chilling. It's much warmer today. And they're just enjoying their time. They had a little flight before I started filming. And I'm gonna walk further up the river to see if I can spot any more. Because I met someone and they told me that last week they saw 25 plus of them. So I never saw more than this. So let's see if there's any others hiding further up. Bye, duckies! Okay, now there's crows and more ducks. One from down under flew here and joined this crowd. There's how many? 2, 4, 6. Well, 6 minus 1 because 1, as I said, oopsie, is from the other crowd. So okay, there are more. It's just, as I said before, they're really shy and they don't like to stay close to where humans are pottering about. Did you see that? It's so cool. I like it when they let themselves go with the current and then swim back. It's super cute when the baby ducklings do that, but it's way too early for that. We are in February, so okay, duckies, what else can I show you? Crows. That's one of the crow trees there. Beautiful snowy side still. It's not snowed now for a few days, and as I said, it's much warmer today. It's even melting a bit. So let's see what the next few days will bring us. Crows are very active now, but again, they don't like to be close to us, so okay, the ducks are swimming upstream. And there's another pair there. The females just got out. And the male. And the canover. They're really beautiful. Okay. I'll walk a bit further up, but my problem is that the road now gets too far from the river, so I don't get to see much. But I'll go explore a bit. Okay, we're in one of the villages by the river, and I always like the sight of the logs covered with snow. This path should take me close to the river. So, let's see. Here's the crows. Oh, and we've seen them from the other side in a previous video. But there's the cows. There's beautiful black cows, which are not native to this land. I'm not sure where they brought them from. But there they are. That's their path where they go down to the river to drink. There's a mini waterfall there, snowed over. Oh, I'm so glad I caught you. Last time when I've been around, they've been all in the sheds. It was too cold at that time, and though they are much woolier than the other cows we have, I'm pretty sure that they were cold in -15 and -20, so okay, let's see. Crows a bit. Look at that. As soon as you get close, they take off. Cheeky little birds. They are little noisemakers, but I am curious. I wish I could understand what they are talking about. Okay. No! I just slipped into some deep snow. This is the thing that you can't see when you step, how deep or shallow the next step will be. Okie dokie. Well, I think that's it with the wanderings by the river with the birds and the cows. Until next time. I don't know. Will the snow melt by next time? Will we have some more? We shall see. Have a good rest of the week, guys. Ahoy!